friends, welcome to my 4K giveaway. I have received an entry from Rosie's Creative Wings. Rosie, I want to thank you for joining my 4K giveaway. It means so much to me and I truly appreciate it. For my friends, if you would like to join my giveaway, I will put my original giveaway video in my description box so you can check it out. I am on the road to 4K. I'm not there yet. And I have asked for a piece of ephemera. And I have asked for it in certain styles, but if you don't have that style in your stash, you can just send me anything that would fit into a junk journal. Rosie, this is beautiful already, and I haven't even gotten into it yet. Hi Jovi, congrats on your 4K. It has been my pleasure watching and being a part of your channel. Continue staying amazing. Big hugs, Rosie. Thank you so much, Rosie, and I really appreciate your support. And my friends, I want to tell you, if you haven't gone to Rosie's channel, she does the most beautiful mixed media art. So go check it out because I know that you would not be disappointed. That's lovely. I'm going to keep that. That's beautiful. That's really cool how you put like a little band around there, but it's made out of paper so it coordinates. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look how she did this. Okay, before I get into it, let me have a look at how you put this together. So we've got these clear bags, and there's 3 layers. There's 4 layers of them. Oh my goodness, I love how you did that. Each one has a bag topper, and you'll see that as I take them off. And then we have a pocket here with goodies inside. How fun. This is so beautiful, Rosie. Let's have a look at these real quick. This is beautiful. This looks like a check register. It looks authentic that she made a copy of. And I love them. Look at these, so cool. And it may not be like a big check register. This might be like a receipt book, like smaller. I'm not sure, but I love it. These are fantastic. Yeah, those are great. This says Dream On. Oh, aren't these beautiful? Life is magical. Live your dreams. Never stop dreaming. So these will be for the unicorn journal. How pretty. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh, this is so cool. These are someone's notes, and it's sort of like an accounting of, I don't know, things that people received, it seems like, and that is fantastic. I love that. I think I'll put this in maybe the Home Sweet Home journal. I think that would fit really nicely in there. Oh, and speaking of, look at this. How cute. I love the 50s vibe going on right there. Truly fantastic. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. That is beautiful. Aww. Unexpected friendships are the best ones. Look how cute that is. I love it. Welcome to our coop. Oh man, I love these. It's not the size of your house that makes a home, it's the size of your heart. Aww. Jane Lee Logan. That is beautiful. I love that sentiment. Recipes, I love it. Hey guys, speaking of recipes, I am working on a recipe junk journal kit, just so y'all know. Won't be sharing it probably till January because I won't have it done till then, most likely, but that'll be in the future. This is gorgeous, Rosie. Look at this tag. So it says, "You are my sunshine." I used to sing that song to my daughter every night before bed. Aww. That's beautiful with the unicorns. Oh my goodness. I love your maker stamp there. That's beautiful. Gorgeous stuff, my friend. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me put this in the unicorn pile here. And let's have a look. Now let me see if she stapled. Oh, this is really cool. Let me see. How did you do that? Oh, they must be glued on. Okay, the topper is stapled on, but the bags must be glued on, or taped perhaps. Let's see. What do we got here? There we go. Yeah, just a little strip of tape. And then the bottom opens like this. I guess I didn't even really have to take that off of there. I could always glue it back on though if I want to. Because I can just open these, I think, and then pull the goodies out. So let's see what we have. Some fun die cuts. I love this. This is very inspirational. Oh, for the sewing journal. Oh my goodness, Rosie, you went all out. These are great. Oh, I love these. Oh, thank you so much, my friend. And you took the time to cut these out for me. These are amazing. Aw, thank you. I love them all. They're beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so this one I'm not going to take off because I don't really need to. I think I can, there we go, I can access it right here from the front. You were so smart how you put that and made it easy for me, even though I didn't take a second to realize that. All right, let's have a look. Look at these gorgeous unicorn. Oh my gosh, is that ever pretty? Oh, these are beautiful. Look how cute this is. So cute. Oh, these are lovely. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Rosie. Ah, I love them. Okay, these are going to go over here in my little unicorn pile. Oh, this is going to be so fun to make these journals with all this gorgeousness that you guys have sent me. Oh, and this is for the sweets journal. Okay, let me get into this. Oh, look, we got donuts. Oh, these are cute. And some cookies. Oh, I love these. And some macarons. Ah, so cute. Aw. And some, what are these called? Cupcakes? Beautiful cupcakes. Ah. Oh, lollipops. I love them. Look, you guys. Oh, this is all amazing, Rosie. Thank you, my friend. Oh, look. These are fantastic. I love them. Oh my goodness. I feel so spoiled. I feel like it's my birthday. Oh my goodness, these bird images are beautiful. Here, I'm gonna put these down. I'm gonna put them right here so you guys can see them. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at them. Ah, these beautiful hummingbirds. Oh, look at this cutie. Ah, I love them. Rosie, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you sent. It's all wonderful, and I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. So friends, if you want to join, just check out my description box for further details. Thanks for watching. See you soon.